Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Redshift data loading with copy command step by step clearly. To enable data loading in Amazon Redshift using the copy command, start by accessing your Amazon Redshift console. Select the cluster that you will be using for the data loading process. Make sure your data source is properly set up in Amazon S3. Ensure that your data is in a format compatible with Amazon Redshift. Common formats include CSV, TSV, JSON, and Parquet. Next, gather the necessary IAM role for Amazon Redshift. This role must have permissions to access your S3 bucket. If you do not have an IAM role set up, create one with the appropriate policies. Now, prepare your database tables to match the structure of the data you'll be loading. Use the create table statement to define the schema. Verify that the data types and column names align with those in your source files. In the Amazon Redshift console, open the SQL Workbench or your preferred SQL client. Connect to your Redshift cluster using the database credentials. Now, you'll enter the copy command to load your data. Begin the command with copy followed by the table name. Specify the source from your S3 bucket within single quotes. Include the access key ID and secret access key if necessary. You can also use the IAM role ARN if you opted for that method. Add the format of your data using the Format AS clause. Optionally, specify any delimiter, quote, or escape characters that your data uses. Consider adding the region parameter if your S3 bucket is in a different region. For better performance, you can define options such as Maxer to handle data issues. Once your copy command is complete, execute it to begin the loading process. Monitor the progress to ensure data loads successfully. Check the results to confirm that the rows loaded match your expectations. If errors occur, review the error messages provided by Amazon Redshift for troubleshoot. Upon successful loading, you can begin querying your data as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.